Good morning, students. This is Amudan. Uh, Now I am going to deliver about Unix operating system. What is the Unix operating system? A brief introduction. In 1969, the development begins at Bell Labs by Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie. After that, the work on the Multics projects. So the Unix has been developed during the 1969. After that, in 1973, Unix is largely rewritten in the C programming language. So who is the Dennis Ritchie? Dennis Ritchie is also invented a C language. So in 1973 also Unix is largely rewritten in C programming language and revolutionary move that great enhanced its portability. And after that in 1980s OS gains academic and commercial traction, leading to the creation of influential variants like BSD and System 5. In nowadays, the core concept underpin modern systems such as Linux and Android securing Linux, macOS, and Android securing its enduring relevance. So this is the from Bell Labs to global dominance. Bell Labs to global dominance. The next is the Unix philosophy. What is the Unix? The Unix is a small tool, a right program that do one thing and do it well. The focus on modularity leads to greater reliability and simple maintenance. The interconnect. They expect the output of one program to become the input to another. This is achieved through pipes. So Unix is interconnection. The interconnection is pipe symbol, enabling powerful chaining. Everything is a file that treat everyone, hardware, directories, and data as a stream of bytes in a file. So everything treated as a file. This is the Unix philosophy. The small tools write a program that do one thing and do it well. The focus on the modularity leads to the greater reliability and interconnect using the pipe symbol, and everything is treated as a file. The the essential commands navigating and manage your system. What is the essential command? So it's like Windows, the CD and ls change directory and ls list the file, and make directory and rm means rename. So make directory means to create a folder. The grep and men, the global regular expression, print and manual pages. The essential for searching text patterns and accessing documents. The man and grep is the accessing documents and searching the text patterns. The change mode, see a change mode and change own. The change mode and change owner used for setting permission and assigning ownership of the critical for security. There is a three user, only owner, user, others. Owner means the file those who are creating a file is a owner, and user is those who are using that file is a owner, and others is the apart from that user and owner, the other group is called as three groups, and three permission: read, write, and execution permission. You can create or you can give the any permission to any groups. The owner has to the primary author, and the owner authorized to give any permission to any groups. The file system hierarchy. The file system like Windows, the bin, then see system configuration files, and user personal directory, and device special directory, and variable data and logs. This is the file hierarchy like Windows. Like Windows, the Unix has a separate file system. It's a bin. Bin is the basic, and etc extra system configuration files, home, the personal directories, and device special item. Now, user management and permission security in multi-user. The user and groups already I give the permission: read, write, execute, user and group. Every file belongs to a specific owner, and primary groups user, you can also belongs to multiple secondary groups. And root user, the root user, that is super user, bypasses all permission checks and has ultimate administration control over the entire system. The networking and interprocess communications. Sockets, a primary mechanism for network communication allowing process on different machines on the same machine to exchange the data. That is called the sockets. Pipe and FIFO. Pipes allows output from one process to feed directly into another. The shared memory, the fastest method of PC where multiple processes map the same region of the memory. So this is the network interprocess communication. How the Unix connected in the nature through the sockets, through the pipes, and first in first out shared memory. Okay, the fastest method of IPC internet procedure call where multiple process map the same region of memory into the address space for rapid data sharing. So these concepts is used to communicate interprocess communications. Unix variants today are Linux, IoT embedded, macOS, BSD. While the original AT&T Unix system is the most historical, its core concepts live on and thrive in many modern operating systems that have built upon or been inspired by its architecture. So the Unix, BSD, IoT enabled all or using taking the reference from the Unix. The Linux is also taking a lots of reference from the Unix. It's a high-ended version. The Linux is high-ended version of the Unix. So thank you very much. So students, this is the Unix. Unix is operating system. So it's a extended version and extended version of the Unix. Yeah, Linux is extended version of. Then next interprocess communication can be used by sockets and pipes and shared memory. And you can give your permissions, you can create your groups, and the files hierarchy system is there, and lots of command is there like Windows. So next class we will see another topic. Until then, another topic. Thank you very much.